When it comes to flat tires, Mercedes-Benz has always made sure our customers are well prepared. From revolutionary run flat tires
To our tire pressure loss warning system and tire pressure monitoring system,
we bring you the ultimate in safety and convenience. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are either equipped with run flat tires, a tire fit mobility kit, or a spare tire. All are convenient options in the event you get a flat tire. But before going any further, please take a moment to determine which option your Mercedes-Benz currently has.
your Mercedes-Benz includes a tire pressure loss warning system or a tire pressure monitoring system complete with sensors in each wheel.
After a few minutes of driving, you can conveniently check your tire pressure in the instrument cluster display to get current levels. If you are experiencing a non-emergency tire pressure loss, an alert will appear on your dash cluster. It would be a good idea to fill your tire at your earliest convenience to maintain safe driving conditions and preserve the integrity of your tire. If you are experiencing an emergency or severe tire pressure loss, a more urgent warning will appear on the dash cluster. In this instance, gently direct the vehicle off the road to a safe place. Put on your parking brake and hazard lights and inspect the tire for visible damage. If your vehicle has run flat tires, and if there is no visible damage but the tire simply looks flat, you may be able to continue driving in a restricted manner.
If you decide to drive on a flat, run flat tire, your speed should not exceed 80 kilometers per hour, but if the car is fully loaded, do not exceed 30 kilometers per hour. As long as there's no visual damage to the tire, you can drive on a run flat tire up to 80 kilometers once you've received an alert, but it's ideal you replace the tire as soon as possible.
If there is visible damage, it's best to call for roadside assistance and do not attempt to drive the vehicle. You may also call Mercedes-Benz roadside assistance at any time with questions, or if you need help by pressing the wrench icon or Me button, depending on your model. Now, let's talk a little bit about what a run flat tire is and why Mercedes-Benz frequently equips its vehicles with them. Run flat tires, or extended mobility tires, are engineered with a reinforced sidewall, which will let you drive a limited distance on a flat tire. So you don't have to keep a spare wheel, tire jack, and other tools. Not only does this give you more trunk space, but it also reduces weight, which helps improve fuel economy. Most importantly, you no longer have to change a tire in a potentially dangerous roadside situation. Simply drive on the flat tire to a service station, Mercedes-Benz dealer, or a safe place to further assess the tire condition. Now, if you get a flat tire and your Mercedes-Benz is not equipped with run flat tires, maybe because it has summer or high-performance tires equipped instead, you will either have a tire fit mobility kit or a spare tire. The tire fit mobility kit comes complete with an air compressor and tire sealant bottle, which can help seal the cause of the leak and fill the tire back up to a safe level. Just follow the included instructions for more details on how to use this feature. Please note, using the tire fit mobility kit is a temporary fix, so drive to a service station or Mercedes-Benz dealership as soon as possible, where we recommend having the tire replaced. Once again, if there is visible damage, it's best to call for roadside assistance and do not attempt to use the tire fit mobility kit or to drive the vehicle. If you have a spare tire, follow tire removal and tire jack procedures included with the spare, or simply call roadside assistance if you don't feel comfortable moving forward in this manner. With the Mercedes-Benz tire pressure monitoring system paired with run flat tires, tire fit mobility kit, or a spare, your ride has never been safer, more responsible, and convenient.